Welcome, Pioneers. Here's the first of two segment addition problems that will be helpful for you. Okay, I'll start off by reading the problem. We have that AB equals 2x plus 11, BC equals 3x plus 3, and B is the midpoint of AC. And solve for x, AB, and AC. Okay? And we have a picture that's shown for us. And again, this is like Christmas. We have information here about AB and BC, so we can put that into our picture. Let's do it. So it tells us that AB is 2x plus 11. So I'm going to copy that information right underneath of AB. And the right side, BC, is 3x plus 3. And the last piece of information, which is key, very, very key, and I'm going to circle this, it says that B is the midpoint of AC. Now, we know that midpoint means that both sides are congruent, or you might say equal. Okay. Well, if that's the case, then we can set both halves of the equation equal to each other, like this. 2x plus 11 equals 3x plus 3. Okay. Now we can solve this just like any normal algebra equation. Subtract 2x from both sides. And I'm going to rewrite my equation. 11 equals x plus 3. Subtract 3 from both sides. Rewrite my equation again. 8 equals x. Okay, great. Now I'm going to box my answer, because it's like, yay, we're done. Except no. Remember to read the problem. Not only do we want x, we also want AB and AC. Well, what does that mean? That means we're going to plug in our x for AB and AC. Well, AB is given to us already, so we can just plug x right into that. So, AB equals 2, and now I'm going to plug in my 8 in for x, times 8 plus 11. Okay, well this is 16 plus 11, so AB is 27. Okay, great. So we have the second answer out of 3, because we still need AC. Now, what is AC? AC is the entire segment. The entire segment, not just one of the halves. This is the first half, the left side, AB, and the right side is the other half. But AC is the entire segment, or in other words, two halves put together. AC is actually just twice AB, which we just said is 27. Well, 2 times 27 is 54. Okay, so we solved all 3 parts of this problem. We solved for x, we solved for AB, and we solved for AC. We read the problem very carefully and answered each part of the question. Great. Now, let's move on to the second problem. This is very similar. Same information, just a different type of problem. Let me show you why. Again, we have that AB is 2x plus 11, and BC is 3x plus 3. Okay, great. Now, it doesn't tell us, though, that we have a midpoint. We don't have that extra piece of information over here. So we can't set these equal to each other. We don't know that they're equal. But what else does it give us? It gives us what the whole segment is. It gives us that the entire segment is 54. Or in other words, the left side plus the right side equals 54. Let's write that down. The left side, 2x plus 11, plus the right side equals the whole thing, 54. Now let's solve this. 2x plus 3x, well, that means we have 5 x's. Plus, okay, then 11 plus 3 is 14 equals 54. Subtract 14 from both sides. 5x equals 40. And now finally, we'll divide by 5. Divide by 5. And x equals 8. Again. Okay. Fine. Now what? Are we done? Well, no. The problem asks us to find BC this time. So what do we think we should do? Well, we have information for BC, and we have an x, so again, we want to plug it in. Let's do it. BC equals 3 times 8, because that's our x, plus 3. Three times 8 is 24. Again, plus 3. BC is 27. Great. I hope this helps you guys. Let me know if you have any questions.